Hey everyone, just got another update. Had a good weekend, and that out here on the truck, as you can see, the tub is now on, and that, so it's all looking good. And I'll get a torch here, so you can see got all the mounts all done, and that, as you can see up there, and that I did have to extend the chassis again where I trimmed it off, and that because obviously the bobtailed mk1, and that, so I did trim the chassis down, so I've extended it out there, as you can see, and that just to pick up the rear mount again. Gone a little bit further. Obviously I'm going to put in a rear bumper on here, so it's come out a little bit further, just so I can get all the fixings and that. But yeah, really pleased with the way everything's gone, and that it will have to come off again for the Raptor liner and everything, but as I said, it's the last big hurdle really. And that, now you can see obviously they just want to move the mount back, and there's the body lifts, and that front one again there just welded up on top of the chassis. But yeah, really pleased with the way everything's looking, and that, so yeah, as I say, little small progress. Next one's going to be the front now, this bumper here, and that I don't have a Mark 5 bumper, so I'm just going to make this Mark 3 one fit, and that just wants just the mountings just adjusting slightly, but not a lot to do on it. There is a snorkel to go on again, so I'm gonna have to cut the hole here, and that again, so I'll do all of that, so before the Raptor liner gets done, so all the body work's done as much as I can, and that. But yeah, really pleased, and that is starting to look like something again, and that. Oh, you're buzzing from the light there. But yeah, as you can see, the lines are looking really well now. Won't be long before it's back on the road. Not a lot needs doing. New windscreen, as you can see, there is a big smash up there, which was like that when I got the cab. So, but new windscreen in, and then, as I say, won't be much left to get it back up for an MOT. And that, as I said, bumper, get that one done. But apart from that, I said, just a quick update, just to show you as it is now. But there's gates to make up, so it'll get wheeled out again, and that. So, oh, there I am. So it'll be wheeled out, and that on the drive, in for gates to make up. But yeah, as you say, I shall say bye for now.